Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna start doing a Vlogmas thing since I'm on break now. But I was going to film a video today about earthquakes because I'm very scared about having a giant earthquake in California. But I don't know, there's too much noise to film a video that's not Vlogmas. So that's what I'm gonna do, but it probably won't be boring. So yeah, day one. Oh, I have a cold. I have a pretty bad cold. And it's pretty bad. Yeah. I have practice later. I got out of school at 11:58, but you can't really see that. Oh my god, there's a, oh my god, that's so pretty. No, don't leave. Where'd it go? Butterfly. I don't know if I even got that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. There's a butterfly. I'm like chasing it. Okay, it's gone. No, it's not. It's back. Oh my god. It's so pretty. There's Nami. Oh, this is such a pretty day. I wish I never had school. Nami. Hi, baby. How are you? Hi, Nami. Hi, Nami. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at you roll over, girl. Yeah, get it. Oh. I took her up. What this thing? I don't know if you can see that. Right. Right here. Okay. Nami. Jelly's here. I see you, Jelly. That is Nami. I don't think she knows I'm here, so I'm just gonna hide here. I wonder if she knows that I'm here. I'm closing my eyes so that she won't see me. That was stupid. Trying to do like a vlog thing because now that I'm on break I'll actually be doing stuff, and then you were like, I'm coming over to your guys' houses. I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So there's Jelly. Hi. Here's a little thank you. I was like what the heck are you doing? Hi. Nami, stop it. Yeah, but that's just Saturday.
Okay, so just text me when you're free. So
okay. Oh, on Sunday, we might be doing the movie thing.
Oh, on Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
yay. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye. Thank you. And then I want to make you guys something, but I don't know what I'll make it by. So just be expecting something. Bye. Bye, Jelly. I'll text you later. That was fun. Okay, bye. Actually, no, wait. I want to open up my gift in front of you guys. See what Jelly got me. See if she's a true friend. Just kidding, she is. Let's see. I live like under an airplane path, so this is not cool. There's like an airplane here. Just gonna wait. Alright, so I'm gonna set this down. But you can't even see my face. No, that's not a good place to set you down at. I have a table right here. Oh look, there's a fountain too. But I want you to still be able to see everything. I just don't know where to put it. Here, I can put it really far back on the table. I just don't want to put it on the table because it's dusty. There, now you can see. Alright, Oh, I got all these Christmas trees. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. There's white chocolate covering all of it. I'm so excited to eat this. Thank you so much, Jolie. I hear people talking in the distance. Thank you. Oh my god, and there's candy canes too. Yay! I feel like candy. And there's a card! I didn't even see that. Oops. There's the stuff. That stuff. And there's a card. She's so thoughtful when she writes cards. We need to hang out over break, so text me. Happy holidays, Jolie. Thanks, Jolie. Oh, I love it. Okay, thank you, Jolie, so much. I'm gonna eat this now. Oh, I don't know how to open this type of stuff. Oh, okay, there we go. She also made a video on some other thing. I just dropped 2 of them, but they landed on myself, so I'm gonna eat them. She made a video on some other treats that you can make for Christmas, so you should watch that because it all looks really good. And I want to eat them now. Okay, I'm gonna eat this now. I just wanted to show you guys. I finished what Jolie got me, and that was like at 12:20 something, and it's only 12:47, and I already finished it. So thanks, Jolie. That just shows how good it was. I couldn't stop eating it, and it was really good. Very, very good. So thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Spectrum now. And it's 2:13, and we're gonna get my sister. I don't think I'm gonna get anything though, because we're not gonna be there for that long because I'm practice tonight. But that's where we're going. Okay. So we missed the exit to go to the Spectrum. So we are currently trying to find the Spectrum. We're not on the freeway. We're here, wherever this is. So, oh my god. Oh, just wait. I thought the lane that we needed to be in was closed, but we don't need to be in that lane. But since there's a giant Ferris wheel, it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, this is actually harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't see any Ferris wheels. No. I see houses.
Don't worry, Emily.
Pretty houses. Wait, it's just over that bridge, huh? I don't see a Ferris wheel though. No, it's not over that bridge.
It's that way.
Oh. Oh, I see it! I see the bridge. I mean, the Ferris wheel. Where did it go? There we go. So we didn't really miss it by that much. Dang it, I don't know the words exactly. Okay. Well. Whoa, it's really zoomed in. Okay. Well, we found it. We're on our way there now. Okay, bye. My sister's here.
Recording.
Yes. I'm doing a vlog. This is Brooke.
Goes to that's the diamond lane that goes to the 55 north, so you don't want to get on that.
Yeah, this is the diamond lane right here. We're going
Yes, you
nowhere.
wouldn't be in the diamond lane by yourself, but
Oh, there's my feet.
there's Bristol, South Coast
kind of
Drive.
weird.
And want to make dinner, Emily?
You just said Emily.
You mean Brooke?
And then
Emily?
I'm
mean Brooke? Did his mom do the cooking or did
She did.
Anita?
I think she said she did.
What?
Who cooked?
His mama. Why would his grandma be there?
Anita's is.
Hey, is Grandma?
She said Anita. Who's Anita?
Cleaning lady.
Anita's the cleaning lady.
What's her name?
I didn't even know there was anybody named.
Anita.
Wait, what?
I'm kidding.
Is there anybody named Anita?
No.
Well,
As far as we know, there's not.
only to get help.
Anita. I forgot what I was talking. Oh yeah.
Do the cooking.
I look really white on the camera because of the sun. Right over there, but it looks. Look at the camera.
Yeah, you don't look that way.
Why does Latina eat those?
Why don't you give Italian to each other?
I'm not that good. I could try. Okay, Brooke, ready? Say something.
Say something in Italian. We want to see if she can converse a little bit.
Ciao, come stay.
Bene. Come va? What?
She said like that.
That means my house.
Yeah, you said where are we going?
I said come va.
Oh, you meant how are we going?
No. How's it going?
It's been a while since she took it.
That was funny. That was like,
Ask her
what?
something.
What? You're. How's it going? My house. So, just vlog. Okay, well, I'll vlog later because we're just in traffic now, so it's not too fun. So, bye. I'm finally home and now I have to get ready for practice. It's 4:56 actually, so I have like an hour and a half, so I think I'm just gonna go downstairs and make some tea or something because my throat is killing me. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Hey guys, so I just got back from my practice and I don't feel good and I have to wake up early tomorrow, so I'm just gonna take a shower. And it's like 9 o'clock and I still haven't eaten dinner, so I'm just gonna do that, and then if I do anything interesting later I'll vlog more about it, but I doubt that I will. So good night everybody, goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, goodbye. Hey, you run! We're done! Okay.